1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done one of these in a long time, but today I'm going to do my likes and dislikes for end of August up until now in September, and the date today is the 8th of September. So as I say, I haven't done one of these for a long time. If you are new to my channel, I say this every time, but I do need to just say it. My arm is in this brace because literally a month ago yesterday I had a fall and I've broken my humerus. So this is on for a little while, so I'm doing everything one-handed at the moment, but I'm becoming quite professional with it. Anyway, so I haven't done one of these for a long time, so I thought I need to. So I've been stashing some of my stuff away. The reason I haven't done one of these recently is because I've had so many shower gels, etc., that I just wasn't getting through using one and then putting in with the empties. I was using a bit of this, a bit of that, a bit of this, a bit of that, so consequently I was never using anything up. But I have used some up now, so I'm going to show them to you. Okay, I'm not going to do this in any particular order, as in what I really like and what I didn't like. I'm just going to go through the little tub that I've got here. I'm going to put my glasses on. Okay, so this is the first thing, and this is called Sparkle. Yeah, well, it would, wouldn't it? Yeah, if you know me, if you've been with me for a while, it would, wouldn't it? It was in a gift set. This is from Next. There was a body lotion and this perfume. This is stunning. I love it. I have the most tiniest bit there. Look, you can see. Tiniest bit in the bottom, which is a shame because it's going to go soon, and you know what it's like when you're right at the bottom of the bottle. It's quite difficult to get it all out, isn't it? Okay, next thing I am loving, and it's this hairbrush. This I got from Amazon quite some time ago now. It is boar bristle, little plastic knobbly bits. It came with this as well, so it's a little rake to rake the hairs out. Quite difficult for me to do this on my own, so I'll just show you the general idea. So you rake it through the brush and then it brings all the hairs out like that. I'll ask my husband if he'll take that out for me. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. I cannot remember how much I paid for it, but I will find the order on Amazon and I will link it below in the description box, as well as the Sparkle perfume from Next, if I can find it, of course. This is amazing. It goes through my hair like a dream. Now, what it also does is it takes the natural oils from the top of your scalp. You know, like if your hair goes a bit greasy or whatever, it's always at the top first. So it takes the natural oils down from the top, sort of down to the bottom, to the ends, so the top doesn't stay greasy. It kind of distributes all the natural oils through your hair. It's brilliant. I think I'm gonna have to shut the blind. That's better, isn't it? I was like all stripey then. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about, this I recently got from Avon, and yeah, it's just a nail clipper. What I like about it is it's longer. It is like a silicone here, so you can get a real good grip of it. And also on sort of ordinary nail clippers, I've got some here, I'll show you. So for example, like this, the ordinary nail clippers, the cutting blade is at the top like that, yeah? Well, on these, it's on the side. So it makes cutting your nails that little bit easier. The only thing I can do at the moment is to cut my toenails, and I can't do that very well, but I can have a go. But it's just so much easier. It just makes sense that it's there at the side and you can just sort of clip your nails a lot easier. So I'm really liking that. I bought that from Avon, and I'll also link how much I paid for that. So far everything's a winner, isn't it? Okay, this is the Avon Senses, and it's the dark chocolate and coconut shower cream. That's what it looks like. Would I buy it again? Probably not. I don't dislike it, but I don't know if I like it enough to purchase it again. I have used the, is it the Palmolive? Is it Palmolive that do another chocolate one? I've used that one and I absolutely hated it. It was awful. It really didn't have a nice smell, as far as I was concerned anyway. This one, it really does smell like chocolate. It's really nice, as in the smell. I really like it. But I don't know if I'm liking this gel formula that people are, like all these companies are doing now. A lot of the shower gels are literally that. They are in a gel formula, whereas before they used to be like, I don't know, like body wash, I suppose. With these, I find that when you squidge it out onto your sponge, for example, it kind of just like glugs out in one complete, almost like a broken egg. You know, when you break an egg on top of something, it's all just sort of there as a big splodge. I feel that's what happens with this. Smells nice. It works beautifully. It lathers beautifully. It's just that feel of it when it's on the sponge and you put it on your skin. I just didn't like that. So I don't know if I'd repurchase this. I'm gonna give it like a because I don't know. Okay, the next thing, this is the XHC banana shampoo, purchased from Poundland. I think we all know about this, don't we? I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. I have been using this for a while now. I'm probably a quarter way down on another bottle of this. I've still got conditioner left because I use less conditioner than I do shampoo, but I love it. And I wish they would bring out a shower wash in this. I really do, because I have actually popped this onto a sponge and showered with it, and it's lovely. Yeah, definite thumbs up from me for this one. Poundland abound. Love it. And this again is from XHC, from Poundland, and it's the Ginger Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Didn't buy it because I have dandruff, because I don't suffer, fortunately, with that problem. I did like the smell. Yeah, very nice. I didn't like it as much as the banana one. Used the shampoo and I've used the conditioner. As I say, it was very, very nice. But I would definitely look for the banana one first, and I'm sure that now they do a strawberry one, and I haven't managed to get hold of that one and to try that one yet, so I'm looking forward to trying that. But if they didn't have any banana on the shelf, but they had this one on the shelf, I would buy it. So once again, Poundland for £1. I think there's more likes and dislikes. Okay, this is the Kolkata Manor Sweet Fig and Chamomile Bath Essence. It was nice. That's it. It was nice. Would I look for it to go and buy it? No. It wasn't anything special. It's just one of those that if you're looking for something to pop in the bath, it was nice. But I wouldn't go looking for it. Okay, the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Shampoo, and this is for dry, dull hair. This one here, love it. I love this stuff. It is amazing. You do feel, or I felt like I was actually putting a shampoo on my hair that was actually infused with oil, and it felt beautiful. I also had the conditioner, unfortunately I didn't save the bottle to show you, but I have had the conditioner as well, and I absolutely love this flipping stuff. Honestly, my hair felt incredibly soft after I used this. If I saw this in Poundland when I next go in, I would buy it. But I like the banana one from Poundland enough to buy that instead of this. But if I saw this on offer, I would definitely repurchase. Amazing stuff. Okay, now this is the Herbal Essence. And this is the Crimson, Orange and Mint Conditioner. It's Daily Detox Volume. It was nice. It was really nice. Again, a bit like the L'Oreal one. I would buy it again if it was on offer. I didn't love it as much as the L'Oreal and the banana, but it was nice. So if I was going around any of the shops and it was on offer, I'd pick it up. I wouldn't rave about this one as much as the others, but it was still a really nice conditioner. I've been really lucky lately of everything I've liked. Okay, so I've got another Avon item here, and this again is the Avon Senses. It's another shower gel, and it's Citrus Zing. Smelt lovely, but like the other one from Avon, I didn't like the feel of it, because at the moment where I can't sort of shower properly, I'm having to put everything onto a sponge and using it where I can on my body, and it just felt slimy like that. The only scenario I could come up with was when you break an egg. Imagine if you broke an egg onto a sponge and it would just sort of go and just sort of sit there and be a bit runny and start dripping. Yeah, it was like that. It's a shame because I like a lot of the Senses ones, and I've recently done an Avon haul and bought some more, but they just seem to be different to these. Yeah, maybe it's certain ones, but I just didn't like the way it felt when I put it on my skin. But the smell is lovely and they work beautifully. Okay, another one, and this is the OralB 3D white toothpaste. Absolutely loving it. I have repurchased it. We're using it at the moment. I think I bought this in Tesco's. I cannot remember for the life of me how much it was at the time, but very nice. We both like it. Chris and I both like it, and we have repurchased it, so we're using it at the moment. Next thing that I'm absolutely loving is the face mask from Poundland. This is the coconut one. Love it, love it, love it. I have done a video with this already on my YouTube channel. At the moment I'm doing a mini series on a Friday, which is Friday's face mask, so I will link my latest one up in the cards up here for you. But yeah, absolutely loving it. Pound, amazing. Along with the kale one. This is the kale one. This one I haven't opened yet because I've already got one that's open. Again, I love it. It is so good. I put it on with a little brush. It feels lovely and cool. If you want to keep it in the fridge, you can, and it makes it extra cool on your face if it's warm, or if you're having a tropical moment, it's amazing at cooling you down. But you don't have to keep it in the fridge. It's cool enough to put on your skin at room temperature. I flipping love this stuff. Poundland, they're on a winning streak in my opinion for beauty products. I'm loving this lipstick as well at the moment. I just seem to be a little bit obsessed with it. Even if I'm not going anywhere, I'm kind of putting it on at home because I love it. It feels so moisturizing, and it's not in your face, so you can get away with, doesn't matter what you're wearing, you can wear this with anything. Yeah, I really like it, and it feels amazing. So super hydrated. And this is by MAC. There we go. So it's by MAC. It's Look Lively, and it's one of the polish lip pencils. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's like that. You've got the little bit at the bottom, and you can just take it up like that. You can see, I think, because I can't actually pop this onto my other hand to show you guys, but you can see, can't you, how hydrating and soft it is. If I just go, it's absolutely lovely. I love this. I've had it a while, funnily enough, and it wasn't my obsession. I just seem to wear it occasionally, almost forgot I had it. And then recently I started using it again, and it has so hydrated my lips. I'm loving it. And the last product I've got to show you is this. It's by Revolution, and it's vintage lace. It's the Intense Metallic Cream Powder and Highlighter. I love this so much. There we go, that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to pop my finger along each one of those shades to show you, okay? Okay, so you've got that one. Then you've got beautiful gold. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like a rose gold. And then you've got a gold. So that's what they look like. They are stunning. They are beautiful. So that's the order I've put them on. So it's that one. So I've gone first, second, third, fourth. So that's the order that I've put them onto my fingers. I bought that in Superdrug. Cannot remember how much it was, but I'll have a look online. I'll pop it down in the comments box. As long as I can find it there, I'll pop it down and yeah, let you know how much it was. But that is it for my empties, my likes and my dislikes. And that's it then, my lovelies. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and you like this type of a video, have a look at some of my other videos on my channel. If you like what you see, subscribe, press the notification bell, and then you'll know when I do my new uploads. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. That really helps my channel out. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Take care of yourselves, my loves, won't you? See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.